So let me go ahead here and show you how to make a free YouTube thumbnail. People ask me like, hey, how do you make your thumbnail? Number one is you want to make sure that you are putting as much time and effort into your thumbnails as you are into the creation of your video. A lot of times people make a video and don't even think about the thumbnail. So for this video, I know I'm going to use a Lamborghini. So I Googled some pictures of Lamborghinis. I saved them into my gallery. So just picking some images. Here's one on eBay. Then I took a picture. This is my son, Johnny, in front of a Rolls Royce, the Rolls Royce dealer. And I'm just going to hold my finger on him until it separates him out. So most phones, you can just hold your finger on the person. See, now it just popped him out of the scene. I put copy. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my Instagram account. So this is where you can do it for absolutely free. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide over here to Instagram. And you see there's one I've been working on with Christina. So I'm going to discard that. Hey, that's me. Good to see y'all. Okay, I'm going to go into Instagram here and click Create Story. That's at the bottom, Create Story. I picked the background out of my gallery, which is just, you can pick any type of background you want. I just picked a blue background. Found that on Google. Now I'm going to copy and paste Gianni in. Now with this, I'm going to just size him. Okay, do I want to have his feet showing? Do I want to have his legs showing? Okay, maybe I want to zoom in a little bit, make him the main focal point for this thumbnail. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and put him right there. Okay, next I'm going to go into, save that, go into my clipboard. So I just go 3 dots, clipboard, and nope, it's not there. So I need to get that. Well, let me put in this YouTube while I'm here. So I found that one on my clipboard. We'll just drop that little YouTube logo up top. Okay, so there's that. Now let's switch back over to my gallery and let's get that picture of a Lamborghini again. So let me find him in my gallery. I'm just going to scroll up. There it is. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to that picture. I'm going to hit the 3 dots. I'm going to put copy to clipboard. And then as a side note, I'm going to hold down on the actual car. And I'm going to see if I can get it to separate out. Yep. Oh, look, looks great. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. Now you could save it in a gallery, you can just, but if you copy to clipboard, it makes it easier because now you can just drop it right on. So I'm going to go in, click on my clipboard, and hit paste. See, there it is. I'm going to orient the car, size it, and there we have it. Okay, get it to where it looks good. I left myself a space for some writing. So I'm going to click on the little A's there at the top. Okay, so let me see here. I want to go ahead and start to write up. Now I'm going to call this one Childlike Faith. This is a great story. You can look it up on my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel as well. Hit the notification button. And you could pay people a lot of money for information, or you could just find it for free. And I'm going to try to give as much free as I possibly can. Now look, this says Childlike Faith. I could size it right there on the left-hand side, but I'm just going to leave it right here for now because I'm going to use my fingers. Okay, I'm gonna look some different colors up. Now let's look here. Let me get this Lamborghini kind of green color. I like that. Looks really sharp. Fact is, I could have actually got the actual color from the Lamborghini if I used a little dopper there. I'm gonna make that nice and big. Just using my fingers. You can move it around. Okay, see, I kind of like that. Looks good. I don't want to put too much on there. I like that transition, Childlike Faith. Okay, I'm gonna hit the 3 dots at the top right corner. Well, first I'm going to hit the stars there, and I'm going to do one effect. I like that. Okay, so I'm going to add a little background effect. And I'm going to save it. Okay, so now that one is saved. Now, obviously, I've already made my video. It's over here on YouTube. So I'm going to go into YouTube here and check the processing. Okay, so that one's not quite ready yet. So let me just back out of here. And YouTube, let me get back to the beginning of my phone here. And we'll start over. There we go. Go into YouTube. So click on YouTube at the bottom. There. Oh, at first, let's go to my gallery here. So gallery. And let's orient this properly because it's a long way. So I'm going to go and hit the little spinny arrow deal. Switch it now. Now that's the way I want it to look. So now it's in the right orientation. Okay, got that. Next, let's go back to YouTube and see if the video has been processed. Okay, go into videos. There it is, childlike faith, right at the very top. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the three dots off to the right. I'm gonna click on edit. So I'm gonna edit video, and at the top, you're gonna see right there in the top corner of the video, that little symbol. Click on that. It opens up my gallery. Click on childlike faith, click done, click save. And just like that, there we have it. It's finished just like that. It's complete. So guys, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more information like this. This is a Kingdom Business website. We're helping you to build your business.